Good morning, hunters. Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. We've got a huge day ahead of us. ONMD, the top unicorn for today, guys. Let me know if you can hear me in the comment section. Welcome back, everybody. Great. Let's wait everybody to tune in. Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon. What a nice day today, guys. We have a nice hunt for today in the pre-market. We already closed some profit for ONMD for today. First entry was around 77. We exited around the 77, then the 90, and now is hitting the ultimate profit taken around the 143. We have another position open again for this one. We up almost 50%. This is by far the best trade for this week, guys. And of course, this is could be the last trade for this week, because tomorrow there's no live streaming. We're gonna be off traveling, so we're still pumping every push buyers over the $1.10. As you can see here, we have a huge wick. That's why the price is still holding this current bottom. We have a big buyer who bought the dip around the 97. Now is around the 143 hour profit taking. The target today was around the 160. So yeah, ONMD is still pumping to the moon. How everybody doing? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below if you are all right, if you can hear me. SPWR, we'll check it. Breaking out. No, just refresh everybody the live streaming. Okay, just refresh the live, I think. Anyway, so we've got next levels that shot off Netflix. I don't watch Netflix, man. Netflix is not my cup of tea. Mm-hmm. Perfect. Perfect. Now, next level can hear me. As we discussed, guys, we're still trading and hunting this one from our live streaming that we did today. We did two trade good for ASTI. It was perfect for entry here, guys. Let me just see. After 10 minutes from our live streaming, we spotted this breakout from the 18. We took a nice profit on this one, 20% on ASTI. After that, we jumped the wagon on ONMD, guys. We discussed the 91 and 106 as a profit taken. And it was perfect entry in the pre-market 2 hours, guys, before the market opened. That's why it's still jumping this one. And we have a big buyer, big buyer over the $1.10. As a reminder, guys, as a reminder, if you can hear me right now, if you can hear me right now, guys, remember tomorrow we're not gonna have live streaming because I'm gonna be on the road, so it will be hard for me to do the live streaming for tomorrow. And of course, tomorrow will be kind of slow because we're gonna have a long day or long weekend because next Monday is Memorial Day, so the market will be closed on the United States. So yes, tomorrow there is no updates either on the Discord and Patreon or even on YouTube. No live streaming. We're gonna go back on Tuesday. So today was a nice trade for ONMD for the last trade for this week, guys. I'm still holding this trade as we discussed. It was good entry on our live streaming. If you're wondering, we always do for the King and Elite members. 2 hours before the market open, we traded two stocks, ONMD and ASTI. We took really nice profit on it. And now ONMD is still pumping and now is exactly around our profit taking, the third one. So the best way here, guys, is to close this trade right now because we might have a huge pullback on the market open. Yeah, I'm gonna check it right now, string picking. Zcar broke the support, brother. That's why it's going toward the bottom. Sales, the stock that we are watching now, you are given on Discord early in morning time. Exactly. But in the morning time, early on Discord is right just on the news or right on the right pump. Because right now they're already pumped, already gone. So that's why we trade them early on Discord because this is where the market maker buy and we buy with them. And of course, let me just put the link, brother, if you want to join us early before the market open, because we already did 50% on this trade right now. I'm gonna pin our Patreon and Discord. Of course, you have to join Patreon first, then you're gonna have access to our Discord, brother. Now let me just go to string picking because he asking about Zcar. Zcar, brother, reversing from our next bottom or the last bottom that we should hold. Now we have a resistance to test, brother, around the 38. If we don't break it, it means this one will be game over for today. You see what's going on here? We have big resistance around the 38. If we don't hold it, it means we're gonna continue to go down. If we broke it, we're gonna have the 46, then the 60. And this should be our bottom, the 29.50. GWAV, as we discussed it, this one was perfect from yesterday, guys. If you remember, we did the chart analysis update for you guys yesterday. One stock we did yesterday for GWAV, we said the 9 cent is the breakout resistant, and we said the 11 and 14 is the profit. And guess what? This breakout happened in after hours here. We jumped right around our profit taken, the second one, and we went down. So this one did already 50% after we did this chart analysis update, of course, before the market closed by 3 hours, guys. So this one was our great hunt for yesterday for our hunters on Discord. And now have a struggle to break. ASTI, it was perfect to trade an entry, of course, on our early live streaming. We entered here, we exited there 20%. And of course, the best trade for today it was ONMD because jumped almost 50% right now and it's still jumping. You are welcome. John already covered that call right now. John, if you can hear me, today it will be hard for me to reply on your questions live and elite requests because I will be traveling from today. So try to send me any question before 6 p.m. today or after we finish our live streaming on YouTube by 1 hour or 2 hours because after that I will be on the road. ASTI is still holding the support. Zcar is reversing. Let us check the market as a whole. AMC looking all right. We still have a little entry for AMC. AMC looking all right. We might have a nice reversal for it, for AMC. Yeah, this is could be the dip, guys, before the rib. We've got a short or a seller around the 524 for today. Let's see if they we could make them cover around the 524. 0 Faji was there live streaming earlier today. Of course, brother. This is the live streaming, but was on our King and Elite members, brother. So if you are in Discipline Hunter or on YouTube membership, you have to upgrade your level or go on Patreon to have access to this one. And we discuss ASTI because we entered around this breakout. As you can see here, it was perfect breakout. And of course, we discuss ONMD and we took our trade on it in the pre-market live streaming. This was 2 hours and 30 minutes, brother. 2 hours and 30 minutes. So yeah, we did early live streaming today. Hey, Jesus, can you short rum? It depends, brother. From now, I don't short because it depends on the stock. Sometimes there is no shares short. Let me just check here. Yeah, rum looking all right because we're already reversed from the $6. But is light on volume. I can't trade this one. The level is kind of shady. Yeah, we have to break the 9. Now is kind of shady to trade run. It's not active like ONMD. Look at this one, man. Look at this crazy stock. ASTI reversing again, guys. ASTI from today hunt double bottom around hour 18 and reverse. ASTI, it was perfect for today as well. Zcar, as we said, the 38 is the major seller. ONMD still holding. ASTI on ONMD. Let me just check if we got another stock jumping. ASNS. Nope, not good. PEGY coming in the scan. It's coming near the breakout. So PEGY could be good for today as well. NCPL, no good, man. So yeah, we don't have other stocks except for ONMD and ASTI. Let me just check if we got something else. Yeah, it was good in the pre-market to trade, guys. We could go to sleep right now, to be honest. We don't have to overtrade. Especially for this trade, it was really good for today. Earlier today, ONMD. Nice. GameStop is moving. Again, guys, if you just tune in, remember tomorrow we're not gonna do a live streaming because I will be on the road traveling. And of course, we're gonna have a long weekend. So tomorrow we might have slow market because nobody want to hold over long weekend usually. Oh, and MD, guys, yes, we find it today in our live streaming, brother. It was perfect trade. It was 2 hours and 30 minutes after a major pump. We saw this reversal around the 57 and we entered around the 60. And it was good entry because we saw the breakout happening again around the 90. So we entered 3 times and we already took our profit here. And our hunters, of course, string picking already took his profit on ONMD. Nice game for our hunter for Discord today. Really good hunt for guys. Tomorrow wake up really late today and missed ONMD. That's why he's crying right now. Tomorrow, remember, there's always opportunity. There's always opportunity every day. But today, to be honest, you missed the best opportunity on ONMD. So it's really hard to find another unicorn today, to be honest, because the best entry for many stock is in pre-market, to be honest with you guys. After that, we might have short open for many stocks because if the stock pump 200%, 300%, there's much likely that will pull back in the market open. Usually we have another pump, but not every time. Sold Workhorse. Thanks for sharing the level the other day. Nice. Yasir just took his profit on Workhorse. Let me just check what's going on with Workhorse because yeah, we you asked me about Workhorse I think earlier this week, and we give you the level to exit. Whoa, yes, perfect, brother, perfect. You see, the 36 was the exit because it was the resistance, and you see we have the test and the price pulled back just around our resistance. Good exit, brother. Good exit on the Workhorse before, because look at this. We jumped 60% and now 9%. Oh, man. Yes, here. Good hunt, man. Good hunt. Good hunt. Because if you held, you lost all the profit. You see, guys, this is a good example by preparing to exit. Because if you didn't, you're going to lose the profit. This one, 60% right now. Look, 9% from the 60%. And of course, we won our hunter Yasir because he asked me about an exit strategy. We said the resistance is around the 39, so exit very quickly. If we broke, of course, you could hold for another profit taken. Otherwise, exit. You are welcome, brother. Thank you for the reminder, actually. And Workhorse had earnings back in 20th May, but after the earnings, we pumped again and squeezed down. So it's not good, guys. This is not normal pump down. On the other hand, we're still waiting for ONMD on the market open. This one, we could actually close it very quickly on the market open. I will just keep it just in case because we just doing trend stop on this one. AMC, the same, look really good right now. It's still holding up. We have a really good entry around this bottom, around the 455. So today we might have action for AMC. And of course, ASTI, we still have a little position on it. We entered in the pre-market as well. We have just 20%. Yeah, 20%, but the entry, it was just 1,000 share because we have limit to open big position on penny stocks in Europe. So we don't have to complain. String picking, Zcar, brother. If it broke the bottom, is mean a flush. If we held, we might have a reversal. We can't tell, brother. We can't tell right now for Zcar. Zcar was an exit strategy since we didn't break. Okay, we said the 51 is the resistance, so this is wasn't an entry even because we didn't break. The exit was actually better around this level, the 43. See, once we broke the first level, you have to exit quickly. You don't have to hold, guys. You don't have to hold. Like right now, it's 30%, brother. It's too much. So you don't have exit strategy. Why are you holding 30% down? 1%, 10% is top, you know? 5%, 10% you exit. And go to the other one. Go on ONMD. Go on ASTI because they are still holding the support. Zcar broke the support, exit. Why you hold? Ahmed said FFIE moving. Let me just check FFIE. Yes, it's moving, but a little. Yes, it looked really good. Maybe we're gonna have some activity in the pre-market or once the market open. SINT got shorted right around our resistance. This is it. Yeah, I'm gonna put SINT just in case down. GameStop 2%, not bad. PEGY is moving. ISPC is moving. This one tried to move again. Zcar still holding the support, guys. 29 is the bottom, guys. And now is moving. However, on the market open, brothers, if we didn't break the 28, is mean we're gonna go toward the 29. If we don't hold the 29, flush down. Simple as that. So the 38 should be our level to break on the market open. ASTI didn't break the 23, so let us go to ONMD because it's still doing a new high, guys. A new high. This trade we traded on the pre-market. If you're wondering, guys, we did it on our live streaming today. On our live streaming every day that we do on our Discord for our King and Elite members. So if you want to join, guys, the link in the comment section. We just pin it on the link in comment section or the live chat section. We pinned the link. Thank you, Frank Picking. Right now, ONMD, guys, it feel kind of overextended here. It feel kind of overextended because we've got a major seller around the $1.63. We could just close the trade right now, guys, because we over leveraged on the ONMD. If we close it, because we have just 4 minutes left on the market open, we expect a huge flush for this one on the market open. So it's better to close it than we enter again if we broke the 161. Otherwise, would be good for today to go to sleep, actually, guys. I'm gonna go to sleep early. Of course, I'm not going to literally to sleep, but this is just a metaphor. This means we're done trading. But yes, let me just show you guys. Let me just show you how many minutes left on the market open. Remember, guys, remember. Let me just check here. We've got 2 minutes left. Again, guys, we've got this thing, Memorial Day, next Monday, market is closed. And of course, tomorrow, Friday, I will be traveling, so I will not be on the live streaming. There is no live streaming. There is no update. So we're gonna take time off, guys. The market will be slow, so we're gonna go back on Tuesday to continue our live streaming, of course. So just be in the lookout because the market is about to open. And remember, guys, Disclaimer before we start our live streaming. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And hit the like, share our live streaming, guys. Sharing is caring, and show some love to our community. And let's kick our live streaming for today. Less than 1 minute, guys. ASTI, Zcar. Yes, Zcar, guys, it might get rejected here. 38 is the resistance. And ONMD, guys, I might close the trade right now because I'm not comfortable holding it on the market open. So I'm going to close it right now with almost 50% of gain. Right now, I'm closing it before the market open, guys, because it's not wise to hold it on the market open. Because once the market open, we might have this and that and a flush down. So I'm going to adjust the resistance there. And yeah, we might have a huge pullback right now at the market open around the 120 for this one. That's why we exited, guys. This one was good on the pre-market today. Really good hunt. Tomorrow, ASNS. We'll check it later. Wait a second. We watch ONMD for a flush. We expect a flush, as we said, guys, for this one. The market is about to open in a few seconds. ASTI, Zcar. Okay, go back to ONMD. This one started to flush. Victor, can you put the ticker symbol? But because I tried to find Vivrion 65%, I couldn't find it. Okay, ONMD. The market is about to open, guys, in few seconds. Hit the like. Come on, guys. We had 55 likes. We need 100. And the market is opened. Come on, let's get right to it. Let's see if we're going to have another jump or a flush. Yeah, we expect a flush for OMD, OMMD, ONMD. We expect a flush here. We expect a little flush. We expect a flush. I'm not entering again, though. I'm not entering again for this one. Zcar is preparing to break. Zcar is preparing to break the 38. Yeah, Zcar, if we don't break the 38, is mean the short added their position. ONMD, I think we're gonna have a flush, guys. That's why we exited before the market opened, because we spotted a big seller around the 162. However, we're still holding the 120. If we're still holding the $1.20, is mean there's a big buyer and we're gonna squeeze up and hold up. So there's still a scenario for haltation up for ONMD. If we broke the 162, we're gonna have a haltation. ASTI still holding. Zcar is still. You see what's happened? Strength picking. You see what's happened, guys, brother? Short added exactly around 38, brother. That's why we suggest for a resistance and a rejection. ONMD, I'm still waiting for a flush, guys. This is too much for the stock, man. We should have a flush. Come on. Flush, flush, flush. We need a flush for this one. Boom, like this. Once we break the $1.20 will be perfect short. But now, still strong. ASTI is pumping, guys. ASTI is pumping toward the 23. Zcar still holding. ASTI is still holding. EAM market. No, I don't trade this market, brother. Yeah, it looks shady. Guys, ASTI, this one was perfect in the pre-market hunt. Tomorrow, ASNS, I will check it in a moment because right now we checking two stocks, ASTI and ONMD. Zcar is breaking now. Zcar, nice. Zcar is breaking, guys. We have a buyer over the 35, perfect. Now we might have a test toward toward the 48. Yes, this is the target. Zcar is pumping, guys. We have 48 as a profit. 48 as a profit and resistant right now for Zcar. ASTI didn't break. ONMD still pulling back. So Zcar is the breakout happened around the 38. You see what's happened? Once we break the 38, we've got a flush of short covering. Now the short will add around the 48. The price will have a bit of rejection here. So Zcar is recovering. 44. ASTI is pulling back. ONMD want to flush, man. It wants to get flushed. Zcar, whoa, we have a big seller before even the 48. This sneaky bastard. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it around the 52 just in case. So Zcar is really risky, guys. There's a lot of hidden sellers and manipulation for this one right now. On the other hand, ASTI and ONMD looking better shape. GWAV is flashing down. Okay, let me just check Tamara. Tamara, are you there? Tamara asked about ASNS. Let me just check this for Tamara right away. Not good, Tamara, not good. Not good technically. I don't suggest anybody to trade this one, man. It's not good. Sellers is having fun shorting this one every time. It's not tradable, Tamara. It's not good. I could give you the technical, but I don't trust the technical. You know why? Because we might have a fake out. So yeah, it's not good for trading. Oh, NMD is still waiting for a flush, guys. Because I sold this one, I don't want to feel FOMO. I sold it here on the market open, guys. It was good entry in the pre-market live streaming that we did earlier here. It was perfect. We already took two profit taken on it, and the third was on the market open. One on around the 77 and one around the 90 cent and then around the 143. Three profit taken for this one. ASTI, nice hunt for ASTI for today as well, guys. Was perfect. So yeah, the pre-market was way better, guys. Way better for us. Thank you, String Picking. Thank you. ASTI, ONMD, perfect. Guys, as a reminder, if you just tune in, remember tomorrow we're not gonna have any live streaming because I will be traveling and it will be hard for me to do a live streaming or even answer your questions. So we're gonna go back on Tuesday because the market will be closed on Monday, Memorial Day. So tomorrow will be slow day after all because we're gonna have a long weekend and a lot of big whales will not spending too much money before the market close for 3 days. Will be a bit risky. So we're gonna come back to do our live streaming as usual on Tuesday. However, the next week will be a bit different because I will be traveling for 1 week until the next week, like for 1 week at least for the full next week. So the live streaming will be much shorter. I'm trying to do the live streaming because I will be traveling all these days. Just for 1 week, guys. Then we're gonna go back to the same hours and the same time for covering your question and everything. I will make sure to do live streaming, of course, to our Discord and members on Patreon, since my trip on the next week, of course. Good day. Count the blessing. Exactly, man. BNED. I think it's still on my list over there. Yeah, a big dip, yes, a huge dip for BNED. Right, nice dip right now. We kind of, yeah, it's kind of risky, brother. I don't like trading risky stocks like this one because the dip it wasn't perfect enough. ONMD started to flush, guys. Still holding the 120. ASTI, nice, guys. ASTI still holding. So ONMD, we exited from this trade on the market open. We expected the flush, and that's why it's flushing right now. ASTI doing all right. We're still holding this trade from the pre-market trade, guys. We bought the dip and now jumping. We are 30% on this trade. For AMC, it's 2% down with GameStop. ONMD, I think, is flushing, guys. Yes, breaking the support. Remember this trade, guys, we already did it on our live streaming early. For ASTI, of course, let me just show you. ASTI, it was here, perfect entry. We discussed the resistant 18. We said profit taking 22 and 30. And of course, we entered for ASTI and still holding until now, as you can see here, for ASTI. Now it's 38%. Why 38% and just 80 euros? Because we have just 1,000 shares, limited shares to buy for penny stocks on our broker in Europe. However, we don't have to complain here. The next stock that we traded is ONMD, guys. It was perfect in our live streaming that we did early for ONMD. As you can see here, we discussed ONMD. And we said the support or the entry, it was around the 64, as you see. 77 is breakout, 91 is profit taken, and then even the $1. So this one was in our live streaming that we did for our Elite and King level members. And of course, if you want to join, the link in the live chat section, we pinned the link there if you want to join our Discord. You have to join first our Patreon, then you're gonna have access automatically to our Discord. And now you see what's happened. The price went down for OMD because we spotted a hidden seller around the 160, as we said before the market opened, guys. We said this one gonna go down. That's why run away with your money before the price pull back. ASTI is squeezing, guys. ASTI, nice. This one. Another 50% on for ASTI. Okay, everybody talking about FFAI or FFIE. Nice. ASTI, guys, almost hit our profit taking, the 29. You see, now we're going to have a pullback for ASTI. ASTI could be good exit right now, guys, because we might get rejected right now around the 29. So I'm going to exit from ASTI, guys. It's good. We did 55% on this trade. So we're going to exit from this trade, guys. It's getting risky right now because around the 30 is it. We're going to have a huge flush for ASTI. So I'm gonna close the trade right now just below the 29. Yeah, we're gonna get rejected right now, guys. So bye-bye ASTI. It was good ride. ASTI just took us to the orbit, and we left this one because right now we are on the International Space Station. Now we're gonna have a flash. Another perfect trade for ASTI, guys. Nice trade. We ride it from here, from the 18 until the 20. And if you calculate it, how much is that? Is 55%. So the idea here, you don't have to be greedy, guys. You have to accept the gain and run. FFIE, nice. We have a breakout from the resistance at the moment. FFIE looking good because we have a support right now around the 121. It just broke. Again, guys, this one we did a nice trade for you guys for FFIE. I think we did chart analysis updates. No, I almost did it yesterday. I forget. It was perfect. Yes, around the 120. I think we discussed it in our live streaming. That's why I forget to do a chart analysis update for you guys. But yeah, I spotted this triangle breakout for FFIE. So FFIE looking pretty good. I'm gonna lower it down just in case. Zcar, you see what's going on here? It's flushed down. It's not good anymore. PEGY, not good. This one, not good. AMC, not good for today. So yeah, we have FFIE, guys, ASTI, and ONMD. So ASTI, guys, just got rejected around the 29 perfectly around our profit taking. Nice trade for ASTI. This one will go on the record book, guys, and we're Guinness record for us for this month because it was perfect trade. I really like those kind of trades, man. ONMD is flashing, guys. From 200% now is 130. FFIE, we might have a huge pump for FFIE, but I'm not trading anymore, guys. I think this is it for me. We did almost 4 good trade for today. In total, we did almost or over 100% for today. 100% is really good. So we don't have to overtrade, because if we overtrade, guys, we're gonna lose the profit. Even if you are really good at trading, you're gonna lose, man. I learned this lesson a lot before. I'll be like cocky and arrogant, then the market disciplined me and told me, come, bring the profit back, brother. Where are you going? It's like taxes. You're gonna be paying more by spending more. So the wise thing is do not spend. Okay, CYTO looking really good, man. CYTO. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna check for the trade that we might do later for you guys on the unicorn hunt. So let me just check if we got another thing going on here. NVIDIA 1000, guys, after huge earnings. Anyway, so I'm gonna add CYTO to trade later on the unicorn hunt. If you're wondering what's the unicorn hunt, is the our channel. We always ASNs yes is poop. Exactly, doesn't look good. So later we're gonna do update, guys, for our unicorn hunt trade or day trades. Yesterday we did for GWAV, and of course after our alert we did a huge jump until the 14, and of course right now is pulling back because it hit the profit taken. And today we're gonna do update for you for ASTI. Oh brother, look at this. It hit the 29 precisely and went down. Doing great, man. Doing great. Doing great, brother. Tomorrow I will stop trading, brother. Tomorrow I'm gonna be on a trip, so there is no live streaming. If you just came here, brother, I will be on trip for 1 week. So, but for tomorrow it will be hard for me to do a live streaming because I will be like on airplane, so it will be really hard to know exactly the time and if I have connection or not. So it will be hard for me to do the live streaming. But we're gonna come back, of course, on Tuesday. On Tuesday, even though I will be on a trip, I will could like do the live streaming from my laptop, so it's not a problem. FFIE, we're gonna do a chart analysis update for you guys later on our Discord. So we're gonna do a chart analysis update for FFIE, ASTA, or ASTI, and CYTO because CYTO looking perfect right now, guys. CYTO looking crazy good. Zcar is pulling back. Crypto stocks, Ethereum is pulling back just before the resistance. Bitcoin is pulling back as well. Dogecoin, Ponk is pulling back a bit. So we have a bit of pullback for crypto stocks. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, hit the like. Hit the like. We almost hitting the 100. Come on, guys. Today is the last live streaming for this week, so we need to 100 likes. Come on. Let's hit the like. Show some support. And again, if you want to show some support and more support and love, guys, just share our live streaming because our live streaming will be uploaded automatically on our YouTube. So just share it with anybody want to learn how to trade because the live streaming is the best way to learn how to trade. Yes, the whole market is pulling back. It was perfect. The market was really perfect in the pre-market, guys. Pre-market was smooth for ASTI and ONMD. ONMD, we suggest to exit, guys, before the market open around the 162. That's why it's pushing right now big time. Nice, guys. Nice. Really good trade for today. CYTO, no way. I really hate those kind of stocks, man, that they don't wait for me. This is make me really angry right now. I want this one to pump later, man. This is the idea, guys. Those stocks don't wait for anybody. Oh, brother. CYTO is gone, man. It's gone. I want to trade this one for you guys, but it's gone. Breakout from the 2.21, guys. Now it's hit our profit taken 2.44. Sorry, guys. This one was really good, but already gone. Yeah, this one is strong, guys. Ah, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It's pulling back. Anyway. Again, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Remember, we always go live every day, except for tomorrow. Friday, we be off, guys. We be off on the road. Coming back to the road. Hitting the road, guys, for tomorrow. So there's no live streaming for tomorrow. I'm gonna miss you guys because we're gonna have a long weekend, almost 4 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 4 days, guys. No trading for 4 days for me. At least to come back to reality and nature and focus on not trading. Because once you trade every day, guys, it's not good for your health. It's not good, really. Even if you make good money, it's not good. Sometimes it's good to relax, take your time from the chart. And after you come back, you have more ideas and more focus. But some people just waiting until they get burn out and stressed, and then they take time off. After it's too late. It's like eating unhealthy food and getting fat and getting diabetes and heart disease. Then you're gonna start to thinking about going to the gym and doing sport. It's too late, you know? So you have to do it before the side effects will appear. FFIE is pulling back near the support right now. ASTI is jumping again, but I'm not entering, guys. I'm not entering for ASTI. Either for FFIE. It's kind of weak right now. Pump and went down and dumped. We should have held over the 122, guys. Not good reaction for FFIE. ASTI is better reaction because it's about to break. CYTO really good, still good. Zcar not, and AMC is still struggling sideways. Let me just check here. CRKN is kind of neutral here, and CYTO is kind of flashing here. I will update this and that. Let's see if we hold over the $2 right now. ASTI looking strong. Yeah, the strongest one is ASTI right now. GME is crashing. Yeah, 5% big pullback down. Really big pullback. So today we might have a test toward the 7 because look at this. We have kind of broke this triangle down. We have a big seller that broke this triangle down, guys. Yes, we have a big seller for GameStop, guys. A really big seller. Marco, can you check S or POVCY? POFCY. Let me just check it for you, brother. Of course, this one have a delayed action, almost 15 minutes, I think. Of course, we've got a big seller on the 92. Nice buyer just came around the 26. We have a bottom around 10 cent. So it's for this one, it could go around the 160, $3.29, and $7.90. Yes. So for this one, could be good for today, but not yet. Not yet. I think we got a nice break here, but yeah, we need to break first the 92, brother. The 93, yes, the 93. So it looked good right now, guys. POFCY looking good. It's light on volume, so it's really risky. That's why after the break, we don't have a continuation up. But for now, we need to hold the 26 break the 93 and squeeze toward the 160, $3.29 and beyond. Now we have the first signal for a breakout, but the volume is really light. You see, 250K. This is really small, brother. Really small. The volume will pick up after we break the 93, though. Hit the like, guys. We almost hitting the 100 likes for today. Almost hitting the 100 likes. ONMD recovering. FFIE. Okay, we've got another support here, but it's really dicey, man. I don't like to trade those kind of stocks. ASCI didn't break yet. Yes, still kind of rejected just below the 30. ONMD is recovering a bit. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like. Queen, the queen is in the house. We have a new member here, I think. Queen von Tarot. Welcome. Remember, everybody, if you just tuning in, remember tomorrow we're not gonna have a live streaming. The reason that's because I will be traveling, so it will be hard for me to do the live streaming. We're gonna come back on Tuesday, next Tuesday, guys, because Monday the market is closed for Memorial Day. So happy Memorial Day for all people living in the United States. And of course, we're going to come back to do our cover up and answer all your questions on Tuesday, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, for our pitch on Discord, we can come back in the pre-market 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market open early, because early birds get the worm, but here early hunter get the meat. We almost hitting the 100 likes, everybody. BuzzFeed is shaking feed right now. CYTO is pulling back. ASTI pulling back. FFIE reversing a bit. Zcar, AMC pulling back up. GameStop, it's holding a bit. How everybody doing? How is Hunter doing? How's the Hunter doing, guys? We're gonna have a long weekend, of course, almost 4 days. We have to focus on those days, guys, to think wisely about what we should improve, and of course, how to be better traders, better lover, better neighbor. So I think those 4 days, I'm gonna take it as a reflection about what we went through since the beginning of our journey here on YouTube. It's been almost 3 years. So I'm gonna take this time, guys, to be grateful for everybody being here and support us in any shape or form. So thank you, brother and sisters, by liking, by joining our Patreon and Discord, by trading with us. I'm really privileged and humbled that being a mentor for all of you guys. So yeah, I'm really what's called grateful for our community, guys, and hopefully You learn and you be better trader by watching our live streaming and videos that we do daily. So sometimes we forget, guys, to be grateful and be like kind of vigilant and remembering where we come from and of course how we came about and what we built, you know. So it's really good to have a reflection and stop running sometimes, because I always like to run, you know. But if you like to run a lot, it means you're escaping from something, and it's not good to escape from yourself, because you can't. You have to stand still, stop speaking, stop talking, stop moving, in order to find what you're looking for. Guys, we got 88 likes here, so hit the like, please, to hit the 100 likes. 100 likes for our live streaming for today before the next live streaming on the next Tuesday. Next Tuesday, guys, we see you on the next Tuesday for our live streaming. ONMD is reversing. FFIE is reversing from the support 115. Guys, ONMD, I'm not trading it again, even though it's reversing right now and might break the 160. But we already took this trade since this breakout here around the 77. So we're not entering again, guys. This one was really perfect trade for today. ASTI and of course this one. Both of them, it was perfect entry in the pre-market. So this one was here around this breakout, as you can see here, around the 18 cents. And the 22 was our profit taken. This was for ASTI, 2 hours and 30 minutes before the market opened. After that, ONMD, we took profit around the 77. Then we entered again. We took profit around the 91. Then, of course, we took profit finally and before the market opened, before the flush, around the 143. And of course, you see here, we took profit quickly, 10%. Then we entered again after the break from the 77. So those two trade, guys, we did in early live streaming that we do always for our King and Elite. If you want to join and have access to this live streaming, and of course, not just live streaming, but day trade that we do every day. Yesterday, we did for GWAV before the squeeze, 50%, guys. Once we did this alert, as you look here, yesterday before the market closed by 3 hours, and this one jumped after hours, 50%. So day trade, we do swing trade and live streaming, everything, and even Zoom meeting. If you want to have Zoom meeting, you can if you join our Discord and Patreon. So the link in the live chat section, everybody, if you want to join. Thank you for being here, guys. And of course, hit the like. Let us hit the 100 likes before we finish our live streaming. And remember, tomorrow there is no live streaming or updates, and even on our Patreon Discord, because we're going to be traveling on the road, and it will be really hard for us to do the live streaming. We're going to see you back on Tuesday, because Monday will be a Memorial Day. So the market will be closed, and thus Friday will be low volatility, so it's not wise to trade, because we're gonna have kind of low volatility and low volume, and it's not interesting to day trade. So it's wise to just take time off and see you back on Tuesday to another day, of course, and trade the market today early. 2 hours and 30 minutes on our Discord and Patreon, and 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube. So thank you for watching, guys. Hit the like, share our live streaming. Let's hit the 100 like before we finish our live streaming, because we have just 4 likes missing for the 100. Let's hit the 100 before we tune off from our live streaming. And thank you actually for the support, and of course, being a member. And of course, before we wrap up, of course, we have a recap to our elite hunters. This live streaming will start in just 7 minutes from now, guys. So see you there. Our elite members and our Discord, we're gonna start our live streaming to do a recap, answer your question, and discuss which stock will be good for today, and discuss the level for them. So thank you for watching, everybody. See you on our elite membership. And of course, if you're not on elite or on our Discord, I'll see you back on Tuesday. before the market open on Tuesday, of course, after 4 days from now. So thank you for watching and see you by the next week, everybody. Thank you for the support.